when the football players dance. Show us what you got. Come on, boys. Spread it out. Let's go. You told me when you're ready. That means you have to move. You have to, yeah. Those 2 feet underneath you have to move over this way.